Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for freshers as well as some minimum experience if you have. So first important drive for the fresher, Wipro Kolkata is hiring for the position of Associate Order Management B2B, and this is a non-wise process. Okay, so these are the required things for this detail. Okay, so first is strong understanding of order management and MS Excel. You should be graduate with all original document and all government ID proof in place. Okay, candidate must reside within 27 kilometer of Wipro Salt Lake Sector 5, means one way cab service is provided. So if you are interested for this role, then you can basically share your resume. Okay, and please note salary will be discussed at the time of initial HR screening. Okay, coming to next important hiring, and that is they are hiring for the Java developer. So hiring Java developer student and professional. So if you are the students who have located in United States, so then this is means this is basically a remote job. Okay, so if you are interested to do the work, and then you can share your resume. And coming to our next important opportunity, and they are looking, means Rapido is looking for the data science intern, and 6 months is there. And these are the work and roles and responsibility. First, you will be responsible for data cleaning, analysis, visualization, building and validating basic ML model. So if you are interested, you can fill the form. I will provide all the link in the description. And this is 6 month internship, and further there is a chance of conversion to PPO. Friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you are interested, you can subscribe us and you can go through it. If you haven't applied for the Cognizant hiring, IBM hiring, then you should apply. Next important hiring from the eBay, they are hiring for the associate analyst. Okay, and salary is competitive. They have not disclosed the salary. So Tiger family, that is the risk management service. So you will work as associate analyst or analyst. Okay, so if you are graduate, then you are eligible for this job role, and these are the some technical expertise and skills that is required for this. So this is the important things. Graduate or master, postgraduate. If you are PG in financial domain, then this is a good opportunity to all of you. And these are the technologies and tools you should have a basic knowledge or intermediate knowledge. That is the MS Office, Outlook, MS Word, MS Excel, SharePoint. So if you are aligned with the skills, then must apply for this important job. Next important, if you are from the MBA, so actually I have already update related to the TCS. TCS is MBA hiring has been announced, and if you haven't applied it, then I will suggest go and apply. TCS MBA hiring 2026, and they hire a lots of important students. Okay, so this is also MBA graduate freshers are welcome to apply. If you are interested, then you can share your resume to this means Genpact. Okay, and last important hiring, that is the Trap Clan. They are hiring the HR intern 6 months. So if you are interested for the HR roles, then you can basically apply for this, and these are the stipend you will be given and certificate on successful completion of internship, and there is a chance of conversion to PPO, and which will result in CTC of 5.4 LPA, and these are the perks and bonus you will get. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you.